According to MarketWatch, Tesla short sellers have collected nearly $14 billion since Elon Musk agreed to buy Twitter, making Tesla the most profitable short of 2022. So you find the link to this piece in the description box below. So Tesla shares plunged to a sixth consecutive daily decline on Friday, the 23rd of December 2022, adding to more short sellers' returns from betting against the electric vehicle maker. So yes, that is what has happened. The decline has pushed its market capitalization lower than $400 billion. The shares has now closed below the psychological barrier of $125. Okay, so Tesla's this is the lowest it has traded since September of 2020. Okay, so short sellers whom Elon Musk has made a point of targeting previously are having a happy holiday if they bet against Tesla this year, according to S3 Partners Managing Director of Predictive Analytics, Ihor Dosanevsky. He pointed out that Tesla has been the most profitable short stock to short in 2022. Okay, so short sellers have been backing up their Tesla short exposure for good reason. It is the most profitable short in dollar value of 2022, according to Dosanevsky. Tesla shorts are up $15 billion year-to-year data mark to market profits in 2022, with a gain of $4.54 billion in December alone, according to S3 data. Okay, since Elon Musk's Twitter bid on the 14th of April 2022, TSLA shorts are up $13.74 billion in mark to date profit, according to Dosanevsky. Okay, the analyst said the short interest in Tesla has been declining since April because of the price drop, but short selling has increased since August, with 3.05% of the stock's 81.8 million shares shorted. Tesla shares at $11.28 billion are the second largest short by dollar value behind Apple Inc. Okay, and Apple's own is $16.78 billion in short interest. For their part, okay, so Tesla shares were under pressure as of Thursday the 22nd, after the company doubled the discounted offers to customers who take delivery of a new Model 3 or Model Y between December 21st and the 31st 2022 for a 7,500 credit and a 10,000 miles of free supercharging, according to its website, raising concern that the demand in EVs is slipping. Tesla buyers are no longer eligible for US tax credit of up to $7,500 for purchasers of electric vehicles, but that incentive could return in 2023, which could be a disincentive to purchase a Tesla in the US this year. I can imagine, yes. So why not wait till next year to buy it? So the year is almost over, but okay, look at this now. These are the call options that will expire. These are the call contracts that have already expired. The 23rd of December the 23rd, they have all expired. Okay, so if you come down here, you can see that obviously the stock closed at $123.15. See, okay, so what I'm going to show you is that below the 125, you can see some of these opening volumes and open interests. Some of them, who knows what they were, who knows, maybe there were those who were confident enough. Okay, there wasn't very much open interest left, I guess, but there were a reasonable amount of volumes in the ones that are in the money. But outside of the money, you can see that. You can see the 124. This could be last minute transactions. You can see that, and a lot of them may be sell to open transactions. You can see that there are quite a reasonable amount of volumes here on these strikes that have that expired out of the money. So a lot of them, a reasonable amount of them may be sell to open, and what it means that they were selling to open. That means they're shorting them, and then they will buy them since they've shot them, and then it has expired worthless. They'll keep the the proceeds of the sale. So that indeed may be what may have been happening, because you're wondering, normally this is a stock that is declining, but you can see heavy volumes on the call side of things. There indeed. Okay, and let's have a look and see whether that's okay. Yes, okay. I mean, yes, you see heavy volumes on the call side of things. There indeed. Let's see. Okay. Also, yes, on the put side, yes, that normally you would expect that to also happen, because that's where the money is going. Okay, so definitely, short sellers are here, and they are taking advantage. They are sophisticated enough. They have the resources to do that, and they did that. So in the last video, we projected that market participants are projecting a move towards $190. I think it's a bit ambitious. It's a bit ambitious at the moment, but maybe when they said the 7,500 credit returns next year, 2023, maybe there might be a rebound on Tesla stock. But as things stand right now, it has now fallen, dropped below its $125 psychological barrier. So these are the ones that are going to expire next, the December 30th. Okay, so let's see what open interest. We have 20,330 for the 150 strike. Okay, so maybe it may not be that they're projecting a move towards 150. It may also be that they are speculating that it's going to decline. It's not going to return. It's not going to rebound. So I bet this is more of it. This is more like it. This is more of a bet against the stock rebounding. A bet against Tesla stock rebounding to 150. Maybe these are indeed as well sell to open transactions, sell to open interest and volumes. You can see that as well, 155. And you can also see that as well. This is the open interest, 25,666. It may well be, yes, indeed, it may well be a mix of things. But with this 160, you will want to, with this 160 strike, you want to bet that it is sell to open. These are short volumes and short open interests. Okay, so see what you make of all of these things concerning Tesla stock, and thank you very much for watching this video.